Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Afterpay to bank account. It's really simple and easy. So for this, as you can see, you can't directly transfer money from Afterpay to your bank account as Afterpay is a payment method, not a loan or line of credit. Instead, you will need to use the Afterpay service to make payments to retailers, and then if a refund is issued, it will be returned to the card used for the original purchase. So how you can do it, how Afterpay works. Afterpay allows you to make purchase and pay for them in installments rather than paying the full amount upfront. You can use a credit or debit card to set up payment plans with Afterpay, and if you need a refund for an Afterpay purchase, the refund will be returned to the card used for the original purchase. Afterpay does not offer a feature to transfer funds from your Afterpay account to your bank account. Yes, you can link your bank account to Afterpay, but this is to use your bank account for payments, not to transfer money from Afterpay to your bank account. Once you have linked your bank account, you can select it as a payment method and check out for future purchases. So that's pretty much it for this video. So currently this is the only way for doing this. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to transfer money from Afterpay to your bank account. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.